How to fix Brawl Stars not opening. If you are facing this problem where your Brawl Stars app is not opening, then follow these steps. Now this might be happening due to various reasons. However, you can follow these steps to resolve the issue. Firstly, check for updates that may be available for the app. Open Play Store or App Store on your device and search for the Brawl Star application. If there is an update option available, then click on the update option to update the app. If your app has been already updated, then go back to your home page. From your home page, open Settings on your device. After opening Settings, go to the Wi-Fi option. Make sure that you have a good internet connection. If your current network is lagging, then you can remove the network and re-add the same network or a different one. This way your network connection will get stronger. Now go back and select the option General. In General, scroll down to the very bottom and select the option VPN and Device Management. Here make sure that your device is not connected to any VPNs. If it is, then disconnect those. Now you need to select the option iPhone Storage. Inside, you need to search for the Brawl Stars application and open it. Now select the option Offload App and again tap on Offload App at the bottom. After doing this much, your problem should be fixed. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.